In this video, I'm going to show you how you can tag your YouTube videos to get more views and rank higher in 2020. So I'm going to share the exact strategies that I use myself to build my channel, and these are the amount of views that I'm currently getting. So in the last 48 hours, I got over 170k views, which is pretty cool. And in this video, I'm going to share exactly how I do this and how you can do this as well. So for that, I'm going to go over to this tab right here, and we're just going to pretend that I'm uploading this video, and I'm going to show you what I would do and how I will tag my video so that I can get more views, and hopefully you can learn from that. So let me just go over to a new private window, which is what I recommend you do as well. So this is a new private window. No, it's not. Let me do that again. New private window. Was it? Yeah, it probably was. Okay, so you want to go into a new private window so that it's fresh and that your previous experience, just so that your previous activity on YouTube is not going to influence the tags that you come up with. So most of the times I use the YouTube auto prediction search bar. So if you type in any keyword, let's pretend that I made a video about how you can tag your YouTube videos, which is the video you're watching right now. What I would do, I would first of all type in my title in the search bar. So how to tag YouTube videos, and what's going to happen, YouTube is going to give you all of these keywords that people actually search for on YouTube. These are not some random predictions. These are predictions based on search terms and search phrases that people actually search for. So if you start using these predictions, you can actually start ranking for these keywords because they're showing up right here. That actually means that people do search for them. And that's why I like this method, because you're not just gambling and guessing that people search for a keyword, but you actually know that people type in these keywords and they actually search for it, which is why these are pretty good tags to use for your videos so that you can use them to rank higher, to get more views, and yeah, to pretty much get more views on your videos. So that's tip number one. Type in your title or the keyword or a topic that your video is about and start analyzing all of these search bar predictions. So for example, if I were to make a video about how to tag your YouTube videos, which again is the video that you're watching right now, I would then probably use this one as the first tag, how to tag YouTube videos. Next up, I would go with how to tag YouTube videos to rank higher, and then I would just continue to go down on this list and find keywords and phrases that I can use as my tags. So how to tag YouTube videos to get more views, that would be a pretty good one as well. I'm probably going to use that one as my title and then add this one as a tag, add that one and this one as well. So right there I've already found 3 or 4 right there. This one is pretty good as well. Keywords that I can use as my tags. Now what you can also do is use the auto prediction feature. So if you type in how to tag, then you use this sign right there, the underscore, and then type in YouTube, is gonna give you even more tags that you can use. Okay, so how to tag on YouTube, how to tag your videos on YouTube, how to tag in YouTube video in mobile, which could be another video that I can make or tag that I can use. How to tag channel YouTube, that one is not relevant, but you can see where this is going. So all you need to do, all I do to build up my channel and get all of these views is basically use the search bar predictions, and I use the most relevant and most searched tags as my tags on my channel. So what I would do, I would go into my upload, and first of all I would add the title. If you're trying to rank that on search. If you're just doing random titles such as vlogs, I don't really recommend this, but if you're trying to rank in search, then this works extremely well. So how to tag YouTube videos to get more views, that would then be the first tag. Now, like I said, what I would do next is go back to this tab and then type in how to tag and then YouTube, and then I'm gonna get to see all of these predictions. So how to tag YouTube videos, that would then be my second tag that I would use on here. It's just very important that you use keyword phrases that people actually search for. So how to tag YouTube videos That would be tag number 2. Next up, I would choose how to tag YouTube videos to rank higher, which is another keyword that people search for. How to tag YouTube videos to rank higher. And this is pretty much what I would do and what you can do as well to rank higher in search and get more views on your YouTube channel. So what I recommend doing is using the the search bar predictions. Type in the keyword. Don't enter your entire title. Just type in the first few words, and they're then going to give you all of the predictions that people search for. So if people then click on this right there, chances are my video is now going to show up because I actually use these tags and other relevant tags as well. But that's how I tag my YouTube videos, and that's how you should tag your YouTube videos if you're trying to rank in the search and get more views. So if this video helps you out, and by the way, I've made another video about this that goes into keyword research. If you want to check that out, click on the video on the card right now or in the link in the description. And that's pretty much all the information you need to rank YouTube videos and to find good keywords. But if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comment section down below and I'll try and get back to you. And yeah, that's it. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.